come on. Just wait till the lights change, you bloody idiots. Didn't even look. And there's a crossing right behind me. What is wrong with these people? There's a crossing right there. That is such a stupid thing to do. Oh, come on. Does no one understand how a bloody crossing works? Oh, come on. Just wait until the lights change. Crossing right there, it just walks out in the road in front of me. Why do they do these things? Walks out in front of me, didn't even notice. Oh, come on.
Sorry, it's going to be like when I started. It looks like it's kind of semi-bone.
Fucking idiots. And we've got a couple more walking in the cycle path. Perfectly good footpath on their left, but they prefer to walk in the cycle path. Fuck's sake. There's a crossing right there. What is wrong with these people? They're just going to walk straight out in front of me, and as usual, wait till they're halfway across the road before bothering to look. You just have to press the button and wait. What's the matter with these people? Didn't even look. Indicating left here. Ah. Bloody zombies. Didn't even look. Didn't even look. Look at these two, just walk straight into the road without looking. Hell, fucking idiots. Totally oblivious to their surroundings. More idiots who don't understand how a crossing works. Okay, there's one. Walks into the road, doesn't even look. Oh, for fuck's sake, wait till the lights change. Oh, fucking idiots. And a couple more. And of course, straight to the road without looking.